In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transform any space in your room into your own photography studio. Let's get into it. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how I take my own portrait shots from my own room. Before we get into the video, I noticed 97% of my viewers have not subscribed to the channel, so if that's one of you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you're notified when my videos go up. Now, I know how easy it is to look on Instagram and YouTube and see how all these people have incredible studios, and that must be the reason why they get great shots. Well, I'm here to show you that you don't need all that and still get incredible results. So for your studio, of course you're going to want a camera, but you're also going to want a tripod to put that camera on if you're taking pictures by yourself. Now, I take all my pictures by myself, so I always have my tripod with me, and I always put a self timer or I connect it to my phone so then I can use my camera through there. If you have a Canon camera like I do, you can use the Canon Connect app that they have for iPhones and Androids, and I'm pretty sure Sony and other companies like that have their own versions of it too. Now, the next thing you're going to want to look into for a studio is a backdrop. You don't need to get it, you can definitely use a clean wall as well, but if you want your portraits to look more professional, I definitely recommend getting a backdrop for your shots. Now, if you can't afford a backdrop but can only get one, I definitely recommend getting gray, as I have right here. If you have a middle gray color, then you can change that gray into any other color you like by using the lights you have, and I'll show you that in my setup. Speaking of lights, that's the next thing you'll definitely need, as you're going to want a light source to light up your subject really well when you're taking your shots. They don't have to be super expensive. As you can see, I'm using these Mount Dog lights I got from Amazon, 2 for $60, and I'll link them down below. Now, if you want to spice up your studio look, I definitely recommend getting cellophane paper and putting that on your lights, and you can get different colors like red, blue, and green, so you can change the color of your backdrop or even your subject. Now let's get into the setup. So now we're in the setup, and as you can see, the backdrop, it's not that big, but you'll see once the shots how they come out. It doesn't matter how big it is, because you can always change it in editing, or it just won't show up because it's wide enough as it is. Also, I'm going to be changing this lens from a 35mm to a 50, so once you see when I switch it over, it's not going to matter what's on the surroundings because they won't show up in the picture, so who cares if your room's messy, you're the only one that's here. I think it's time we switch out the clothes. Alright, that's better. Before I take some shots, I switched my camera to the 50mm so you can see that basically most of the background, most of the things on the sides aren't in the shot, and when I switch the camera position, it's going to look even better. Now I'll show you the behind the scenes of some of the shots I did. So as you can see, my room is a mess, but I'm doing this all by myself, so if I wasn't recording a behind the scenes look for you guys, you wouldn't even be able to tell that these pictures were taken with the mess behind me. All that really matters is what's in frame. Also, I use the cellophane paper to cover my light and make everything red and moody, so you can see I turned red, and I use extra lights in order to change the backdrop color a little bit. I hope you guys enjoy these shots, and if you did, comment down below which one was your favorite, and let me know if there's any other tutorials you want me to do in the future. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you're notified when my videos go up. And I'll see you guys in the next one.